Our planet is a masterpiece of extremes, glaciers carving ancient valleys, mountains piercing the clouds, and landscapes that have been shaped over millions of years by the relentless forces of nature. Every corner of Earth tells a story of transformation, resilience, and wonder. Deserts glow with fiery sunsets, painting the sands in brilliant hues, while oceans shimmer with vibrant life beneath their surface, teeming with creatures both familiar and mysterious. These are not just landscapes, they are Earth's greatest works of art, sculpted by wind, water, fire, and time, each one a testament to the planet's boundless creativity and power. Today, I invite you to join me on a grand tour across continents and oceans, as we explore the world's most breathtaking natural wonders and hidden gems. We'll journey from sun-scorched canyons that echo with ancient history, to frozen wildernesses where silence reigns, and the air is crisp and pure. This is a celebration of nature's raw, untamed power and its delicate artistry, where thunderous waterfalls meet the fragile beauty of wildflowers blooming in the wild. Together, we'll count down 25 awe-inspiring landmarks, each one a living testament to the planet's enduring ability to surprise, move, and inspire us all. So, let's set out on this adventure together, and begin our journey into the extraordinary wonders that make our world truly remarkable. Deep in Venezuela's jungle, Angel Falls plunges nearly a kilometer from the summit of Tepuy, dissolving into mist before it touches the ground. This lost world, nourished by the fall's constant veil, feels ancient and untouched, a place where gravity and water create pure magic. On Northern Ireland's rugged coast, 40,000 basalt columns form the Giant's Causeway, a geometric marvel born from ancient volcanic eruptions. Walking these hexagonal stones is like stepping into a world where myth and geology collide. On Kauai, the Nepali coast's emerald cliffs plunge into turquoise waters, their razor-sharp ridges draped in lush vegetation. Accessible only by foot, boat, or air, this remote sanctuary is nature's masterpiece, untamed, vertical, and breathtaking. Mount Everest, the world's highest peak, towers above the Himalayas, a realm of thin air, lethal cold, and relentless storms. More than a climber's challenge, Everest is a vital water source and a symbol of nature's uncompromising power. Preikestolen, or Pulpit Rock, juts 600 meters above Norway's Lysefjorden, a flat square plateau with no barriers, just dizzying views. The hike is tough, but the reward is a panorama of glacial-carved fjords and endless sky. It's a natural grandstand for one of Scandinavia's most dramatic vistas. Wadi Rum's red and orange sands, sculpted over millennia by the relentless wind and blazing sun, stretch endlessly across the horizon, creating a mesmerizing tapestry of color and texture that seems almost otherworldly. These sands rise into sheer sandstone mountains, their faces etched with mysterious ancient petroglyphs, silent stories carved by civilizations long vanished, offering a glimpse into Jordan's deep and fascinating history. By day, the desert glows with a golden radiance, the sunlight painting the landscape in vivid hues and casting dramatic shadows across the dunes. By night, the sky explodes with countless stars, transforming the desert into a celestial wonderland. The Milky Way stretches overhead in breathtaking clarity, a river of light connecting earth and sky. Silence and space define this Valley of the Moon, a place of profound beauty, timeless wonder, and endless possibility. Here, the landscape feels both alien and deeply spiritual, inviting reflection and awe in equal measure. Siberia's Lake Baikal is the world's oldest and deepest lake, holding a fifth of Earth's unfrozen fresh water. In winter, its crystal-clear ice forms turquoise blocks and deep cracks, creating a surreal, otherworldly spectacle. Baikal's unique ecosystem is a living treasure, home to countless species found nowhere else. The Maldives' 1,000 coral islands are rings of white sand and turquoise lagoons floating in the Indian Ocean. Beneath the surface, vibrant reefs teem with life, blurring the boundaries between land, sea, and sky. Banff's snow-capped peaks, turquoise lakes, and vast glaciers form a wilderness of epic beauty in the Canadian Rockies. Wildlife roams freely, and the luminous lakes, colored by glacial silt, are a sight you have to see to believe. Salar de Uyuni, the world's largest salt flat, stretches endlessly across Bolivia's high Andes. In the rainy season it becomes a giant mirror, reflecting sky and clouds in a seamless illusion. Flamingos add bursts of color to this stark, surreal landscape. Yellowstone sits atop a supervolcano, its surface alive with geysers, hot springs and vibrant mineral pools. Bison and wolves roam a landscape where Earth's inner fire is always close to the surface. Iguazu Falls is a thundering spectacle, 275 waterfalls stretching nearly 3 kilometers, surrounded by lush rainforest. The Devil's Throat, its roaring centerpiece, immerses visitors in a symphony of water and mist. The Sahara's endless dunes and rocky plateaus cover North Africa, a land of extremes and minimalist beauty. Amidst the vastness, oases bloom, pockets of green where life persists against all odds. The Galápagos, a volcanic archipelago, is a living laboratory where evolution unfolds before your eyes. Fearless wildlife and unique species inspired Darwin and continue to astonish visitors today. Pamukkale's white travertine terraces, formed by mineral-rich hot springs, cascade down a Turkish hillside like frozen waterfalls. Warm, milky blue pools invite visitors to experience this surreal, cloud-like wonder. Zhangjiajie's quartz sandstone pillars rise like natural skyscrapers from misty forests, creating a landscape straight out of a fantasy. These vertical wonders inspired the floating mountains of Avatar, a true geological masterpiece. Near the poles, the night sky erupts in the aurora borealis, a silent dance of green, pink, and purple lights. Solar winds collide with Earth's atmosphere, painting the darkness with cosmic color. It's a breathtaking, otherworldly connection between our planet and the sun. Australia's Great Barrier Reef is the largest living structure on Earth, a vibrant underwater city built by coral polyps. Home to thousands of species, its kaleidoscopic reefs are a fragile wonder, teeming with life and color. Diving here is to enter a world of pure natural magic. Antarctica is a continent of extremes, coldest, driest, highest, covered by a vast ice sheet. Despite its harshness, life thrives. Penguins, seals, and whales depend on its nutrient-rich waters. Antarctica is a pristine wilderness and a vital climate regulator for the planet. Mount Bromo, an active volcano in Java, rises from a sea of volcanic sand, its crater constantly smoking. At sunrise, the landscape glows with ethereal light, framed by the distant eruption of Mount Semeru. It's a scene of raw volcanic power and haunting beauty. Victoria Falls, the smoke that thunders, sends the Zambezi River plunging into a chasm, creating the world's largest curtain of falling water. The spray sustains a rainforest and on full moon nights conjures rare lunar rainbows. The Grand Canyon, carved by the Colorado River, reveals nearly 2 billion years of Earth's history in its colorful, layered walls. Light and shadow transform the canyon throughout the day, creating a living painting. To stand on its rim is to witness the immensity of geological time. Halong Bay's limestone karsts rise from emerald waters, forming a maze of jungle-clad towers and hidden grottos. Mist drifts between the islands, giving the bay a mystical, dreamlike quality. The Amazon is the world's largest rainforest, a green ocean teeming with life, producing much of our oxygen and regulating the climate. Its biodiversity is staggering, with millions of species, many still unknown to science. To enter the Amazon is to be enveloped by a living, breathing world of sound and color. The Serengeti's Great Migration is the largest overland mammal migration on Earth. Millions of wildebeest, zebra, and gazelle on a perilous journey. Predators and river crossings add drama to this ancient cycle of survival. It's nature's greatest wildlife spectacle, a living pulse across the plains. Our journey has spanned the globe, taking us from the thundering majesty of waterfalls to the silent, endless stretches of deserts, from the dizzying depths of ancient canyons to the snow-capped summits of the world's highest peaks. Each destination has offered a unique glimpse into the incredible diversity and grandeur of our planet. Each of these wonders tells a story, one of Earth's immense power, breathtaking beauty, and delicate fragility. They are living records of time, shaped by the forces of nature over millions of years, and they remind us of the ever-changing, yet enduring face of our world. Standing before these wonders, we are reminded that we are part of something much larger and far older than ourselves. The ancient forests, the shifting sands and the towering cliffs all whisper stories of ages past, connecting us to the deep history of the earth. These places inspire awe and curiosity, calling us to explore, to learn, and to understand the natural world. They ignite a sense of wonder that encourages us to venture beyond our comfort zones and to see the world with new eyes. But the real journey is one of appreciation and conservation. It is about recognizing the value of these irreplaceable places and taking action to protect them for future generations. Every small effort counts, from planting a tree to preserving a pristine landscape. These wonders have stood for millennia, weathering the passage of time and the forces of nature. It is our privilege to witness their beauty, and it is our responsibility, our duty, to ensure they endure for those who come after us. The world is full of wonder, if only we remember to look, to cherish, and to protect the extraordinary planet we all call home.